Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Kaushik and I'm going to show you how to build a simple Windows console application in Microsoft Visual.net. So I click on File and click on New Project, and I've got Visual C Sharp node in which the Windows Classic Desktop is highlighted and console app with the .NET framework is highlighted. I will click and give a new name to my application, like grades demo, and click on OK. It takes a wee bit of time before the project loads on the Visual Studio. So the project is, grades demo project is there on the Solution Explorer, and I've got a static void main, which is the entry point to the C Sharp console application. It's the startup method. So the first statement is console dot write line. We'll use the write line method, and I'll give a prompt. Enter the number of students. Next, I will create a var num stu equals convert dot to int 32-bit integer. The string that is entered by the user will be converted to an equivalent 32-bit integer. So console.readline is the input statement from the user, and it is stored in a num students variable. Next, I'll create a var sum to store the sum of all the grades of the various students, and then a for loop which iterates from int n equals 1 to n less than or equal to number of students, that is num students, n plus plus. So it will iterate over the entire number of students as input by the user, and then it will prompt the user to enter the grade for the students. Enter the grade for student within curly braces 0, and after the double quotes I'll put the value n. Now n is this integer local variable, and this is a placeholder. It will fill the student number. Okay, and then after prompting to the user to enter the grade for student, that grade will be stored in another variable grade, which is again the right hand sign of the assignment statement for this variable is convert dot to int 32 console.readline. Now here is a catch. I need all the grades to be between 0 and 100, so it has to be greater than 0 and less than 100. So it should lie between 0 and 100. All the other grades are invalid. So I'll put a while condition here. So while grade less than 0, or pipe symbol, or grade greater than 100, I will prompt to the user invalid grade, try again. So I'll just copy from my notepad, copy and paste it here for saving time. Invalid grade, try again, and then again just copy and paste the statement in the for loop into the while loop. Enter the grade for the student 0, that means the number of students that we are considering at the moment, and then again grade equals convert.int32 console.readline. Alright, and finally outside the while loop we sum all the grades together to get the final sum of all the grades, and outside the for loop we calculate the average. So we'll create another variable var average equals the total sum of all the grades divided by the number of students. So average for each student, and then finally write the average is this. And lo and behold, we have got the application. I will test it. By Control F5. It's the build has started. In a wee while it will come up with the screen. Yeah, number of students, say 3 students to try. Grade for the first student, say 56. Grade for the second student, which let us intentionally give it an invalid value. So invalid grade, try again. Enter the grade for student 2 again. So I'll give it a 57. Enter the grade for student 3, 55. So average is 56. That's it. Thank you.